Do everything with love. Treat your friends, your family, and even your enemies with love. These are my colors for today. And here are the paints that I used. While I have used different brands, they are all in the same family as far as kind of a thicker, heavy body paint. And I have mixed all of my paints the same, with the exception of the black, as it will be my swipe color. And today we're pouring on a 12 by 12 inch canvas. And we're going to get straight into our colors here. We're going to add just 2 drops of silicone to our black. Doesn't take much. And 1 drop to our blue. Before I swipe, I'm going to add just a little bit of red in the yellow, because if you've seen pieces like this, a lot of times you lose that bottom color, and I want some traces of that red and that yellow. Right, here we go. Oh, I got an awful swipe here. So as you can see, the cells are opening up. The paint is much thicker, so it's taking a longer time, but this will allow you to move your paints and you can torch after and really get some nice round cells without distorting the cells too much. So now I'm going to try and swipe over these areas. All right, look what we have here. So you really have to practice some patience with this technique because it can feel very defeating, but those cells will pop up slowly but surely. And the tilting process is just very tedious. But the good thing about with the paints being thick, they're more forgiving as far as your cells getting really wonky. But just look at all the beautiful colors we got. Sides here and just try to go along with what's already there. So this time we're going to do a miniature one. And the only thing we're doing is just going to add some water to thin out our paints a bit. And now our paints are much more of a milky consistency. Don't even know how I saw that, but I'm glad that I did. And we're going to torch. Make sure that those are in fact air bubbles and not little blobs of paint. We are going to start moving our paint, and you can see how much easier it moves since it's thinner. All right, and now onto our black. We did not add any additional silicone. What's in there is enough. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and spin it, get some of this paint off, and you're gonna see these cells are already opening up just as we spin. Already opening up. Let's spin it some more. And as you can see, we got clusters of cells. And these will continue to develop. Let's take a look at them though. Love those white ones. Just really pretty. Almost exotic like. And we're gonna spin again. What I love about this is you can see how the cells change and grow so much with just one little spin. All right, look what we got here now. OMG, there are more cells than we can count going on here. I love the blue and white reaction we got. We lost a lot of our red and yellow this go around. And these cells are going to continue to develop over the next hour or so as this piece starts to dry. So I am terribly thrilled to tell you that these pieces dried perfectly. The definition of the cells is there. There was no cracking. Everything just dried so well. And a lot of this does come with practice and patience. But here you can see those luscious cells. They just popped up wonderfully. And the changes in the colors, that's my favorite part of both pieces. These pieces will be available. If you're interested, shoot me an email. And that's about it. I hope you guys have a wonderful, amazing day. I'll see you very soon. Peace.